trying to be someone else. I'm content with myself. Like, some people think I'm weird, which is cool. Some people think I'm for it, but it's like, I'm helping somebody, you know? And it's like, your opinion of me isn't gonna affect my success, health, or wealth, so it doesn't matter. Those are the three most important things to me. And God. But if it don't affect that, then it's like, it don't matter. Yeah, I'm in New York. Yeah, people do get their social media, their personality from social media, and you know that. Like, when you meet somebody and like you're just with them for like a couple minutes, like you know that it's like, okay, you're just like every other girl or every other dude, like that's how I feel. You say, oh, thank you, that's so nice. You're harder than a seatbelt in Australia. I'm weak. But yeah, like, it's my three most important things. Like, whenever people ask me about confidence, I always think about your priorities. So, set mine, success, health, and my wealth. And God is one of those, he's part of my health, I would say. But, or maybe yours is family, school, and God. Family, school, and football. Family, school, and track. If this person's opinion, you gotta let go of that and just worry about your opinion. Because you know what, half the time when people make fun of you or talk down on you, it's because they're jealous. It's a fact. It's a fact. People won't admit it, but it's a fact. No, I would never go blonde. I've gotten blonde streaks in my hair and it looks nasty. Life is a mystery. Yeah, exactly. It's so cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'm in New York City, baby. In New York. Jungle where dreams are made of. Yes, sir. You only go for black guys. I don't go for no guys. Thank you. Thank you. Who's your life coach? Nah. Books and God. And experience. Thank you. Show us your braids. I like them a lot. I went to this new lady, which I don't usually do. I don't really trust people with my hair. Yeah. Nah, I don't talk to men right now. I'm not trying to get distracted, y'all. No, I already landed. I'm just charging my phone. Because I know I'm going to get lost. I have a long drive to where I'm staying. I used to care way too much. I'm glad you don't anymore, because it only limits your potential. I remember when I used to think about posting on YouTube, like, what are people going to think? Are people going to watch it? Like, just do it, you know? Thank you. Yeah, don't worry about people's opinions, because you don't want to look back and be like, dang, like, I wasted so much potential. I had so much time to do anything I wanted to do, but I was just so worried about what these people thought about me. And these people didn't even grow up to be anybody. Like, why does their opinion matter? Like, why does their opinion matter? Take, like, what you do with your life. You know what I'm saying? Like, exactly. Honestly, I probably will record another video today. I have to vlog today. That's what I need to do. I vlogged a little bit on the plane. Alright, y'all. I'm like starving. I'm probably gonna get off here. I need food or a smoothie or something. And I'm probably gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna get to my house. But yeah, I hope you have a blessed day and be productive today. Get better today. Remind your mom you love her.